Hello and welcome to Cheppy Today. I'm Will and I'll be going through some of the most talked about topics in crypto. If you want to be kept up to date with the discussion, remember to give us a like and to subscribe. So today the markets brought something that everyone expected, but no one really wanted. And that was a fairly major correction. The worst of the dump occurred last night at approximately 11 PM UTC, when Bitcoin slipped almost 9% in the space of an hour, down from $8,480 to $7,748, the lowest Bitcoin's price has been in 12 days. So what exactly happened? Well, questions pertaining to the possibility of market manipulation were raised, and while a correction was expected, there was something a little bit fishy about this dump, and that's because the sell-off appears to have been caused by a big fat whale. Something fishy about it. Get it? Interestingly, one whale stood out among the pod. A transaction which occurred yesterday saw a total of 25,160 BTC, a USD equivalent of approximately 213 million at the time of the transfer, move from an unknown wallet to Coinbase. Obviously, this raised eyebrows, because let's face it, who trades on Coinbase? The whale was clearly there to do one thing: sell. The sell-off triggered a panic, and in total over 4 hours, Bitcoin saw a decline of 9.2%. However, two more transactions were caught by whale alert, one amounting to 14,160 BTC, and a further 11,000 BTC transfer, totaling up to 25,160 BTC. If you're seeing a pattern here, you're right too. This was the exact same amount that was dumped on the market shortly before. However, this time the funds were coming back from Coinbase to an unknown wallet, meaning the sneaky whale had bought back at a lower price. As mentioned, the original 25,000 BTC sell-off was worth around $213 million. By the time the market reacted, and only after Bitcoin had dropped 9%, did the whale buy back into Bitcoin, only this time at a discount, netting around $15 million in profit. Furthermore, a movement of $10 million in USDT was noted, cited as the whale taking its profit after a hard day of f***ing the market. So what happens now? Well, thanks to the whale, we've seen a reordering of the market structure, with Bitcoin slipping through multiple levels of key support in one fell swoop. Trader and analyst Luke Martin noted this as the first time Bitcoin has broken a retest of its support in its 2-month uptrend, adding that there's not much more to do except to let the dip take its course. Another trader known as Crypto Cred suggested that Bitcoin would need to reclaim 8,200 before any such bullish momentum could continue. The trader also noticed that Bitcoin didn't use previous resistance as support, which is typically indicative of an asset reaching its short-term top. Josh Rager, yet another trader, believes that Bitcoin may test as low as 7.7k, attributing heavy sell volume to a continued dip. Nitco also offered the opinion that Bitcoin could fall to lower support, citing levels around 7.4k, 7.2k, and 6.4k. Co also provided a positive spin, suggesting that a bounce from these levels could take BTC up to 8.3k again. In the same vein, another trader called Armin van Bitcoin also suggested that Bitcoin could get back to 8.3k, giving the specific time frame of the next 3 days. This was then followed by a far less optimistic assumption, which included Bitcoin falling as low as 5.6k. Don Alt, everyone's favorite crypto duck, suggested that alts may look to outperform Bitcoin during the downturn. Right now, Bitcoin is hovering just below 8k, still wounded from the drop. Whether we'll see a further correction or whether investors will start buying this dip is anyone's guess. One thing is for certain though, if this dip was indeed caused by market manipulation, this is yet another instance of such an issue besmirching the crypto industry, and perhaps one we need to focus on if these markets are to be taken seriously and widely adopted. For now, we'll pass it on to you. Do you think Bitcoin is in for another fall, or can it get over this dip and continue to rally upwards? And how would you suggest we avoid manipulation in the future? So let us know your thoughts. Leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe, and we will see you next time.